no delay, let it carry you away. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Yeah, yeah. Steel drums ringing bright and clear, melodies you wanna hear. Guitar skank so fresh and clean, grooving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Yeah, yeah. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Energy, feel the breeze. Melody, feel the breeze. Sunlit island energy, flowing wild and free. Let the rhythm play, take your stress away. Sunlit island energy, feel it endlessly. Move your body right from the day to night. Yeah, yeah. Feel the sun, feel the sun. Yeah, yeah. Feel the sun, feel the sun. Yeah. Good morning, island floor. Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free, island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise, feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. phones ringing soft and clear. Melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river's steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free.
Sets me free, silent waves and open air. Peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. The horizon come like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. The horizon come, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline deep but barely there, still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control. Just the music, just the soul in this space. We understand life is more than we had planned. Calm,
your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune, let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon, feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Let the night take your soul. Every beat, every sound lifts your feet off the ground. Midnight island glow, moving nice and slow. Let the music play till the break of day. Midnight island glow, let your feelings show. Under moonlight skies, see it in your eyes. beat feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No more rush, no more race, just the calm of this place. Ocean breeze, therapy. Set your spirit free, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy. Where you're meant to be, let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Trees sway in harmony, singing soft in melody. Simple life, no need for more, just the waves along the shore. Deep bass moving nice and low, like the tide it comes and goes. Heartbeat sinking with the sound, pieces everywhere around. Let it wash away the pain, like a soft and summer rain. In this moment you can see, this is where you're meant to be. Ocean air, take me there. I can come, let the rhythm ride like the rising tide. Ocean breeze, therapy. Where you're meant to be, let the music heal. Feel what you should feel. Sunlight dancing on the sea feels like it's healing me. Every step in golden sand, peace is always close at hand. Close your eyes, just feel the flow. Let the rhythm guide your soul. No Soft wind moving through your hair, island feeling everywhere. Eyes meet under golden light, everything just feels so right.
No more words we need to say, let the music lead the way.
In this moment we align, your heart beating next to mine. Feel the vibe, feel the tone, you're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground.
Reese connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be.
Ocean singing soft and low,
Moving with the afterglow. Good talk chords just set the mood, everything feels understood.
baseline deep like endless sea.
Pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay, let the world just fade away. Time stands still when you're near, every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection.
Feel the love we share, floating in the air.
Island breeze connection, no direction.
Just you next to me, that's where I wanna be. That's where I wanna be.
Slow tide, yeah. Reflection. Quiet waves upon the shore teach me what I'm looking for. In the silence I can hear, everything becomes so clear. Sky reflecting in the sea, like a mirror back at me. Every thought begins to slow, letting deeper feelings grow. Take a breath, let it be. There's no need to overthink. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide, like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside, let your spirit glide. Soft guitar just paints the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline steady, low and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every moment feels so real, every breath begins to heal.
past just fade away. Live within the now today. In this flow we understand life is more than we had planned. Slow tide, let it ride. Calm tide reflections, healing all directions. Let the rhythm guide like a gentle tide. Calm tide reflections, pure connections. Feel it deep inside, let your spirit glide.
Step soft along the sand, no more need to understand. Let it flow, let it be. This is how it's meant to be. Take it easy, don't rush. Feel the calm, feel the hush. Every moment passing by, like a dream you can't deny. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Steel drum whisper in the breeze, carrying that melody. Bassline deep and rolling low, like a place you always know. Nothing here to complicate. No more pressure, no more weight. Just the rhythm, just the sound. Peace is finally found. Time absorbs into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free. Slow. Slow motion, paradise. Paradise, slow motion, floating like the ocean. Let the rhythm guide with the rising tide. Paradise, slow motion, feel the pure emotion. Let your worries fade in the light and shade. Slow motion, motion, paradise. Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Blue horizon, calm, like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft. guitar whispers through the air. Simple notes without a care. Bassline deep but barely there. Still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon,
on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone, feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loose, let it play. Take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound. Let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soaring wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line floating through your mind. Guitar skank just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Bassline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. You feel so free. Same vibe, different day. Let it carry you away. Round and round, the feeling goes like a song you always know. In this cycle, you can see this is pure simplicity. tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a soothing wind. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line floating through your mind. Again, again. Drifting on a sunny line, leaving all the world behind. Simple rhythm, simple tone, feels like I am finally home. Ocean breeze and golden light, everything just feels so right. Every second on repeat, moving gently with the beat. Let it loop, let it play, take your mind far away. Feel the vibe, feel the sound, let it spin you around. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a snooning wine. Tropical daydream loop, feel it in your groove. Every beat a line floating through your mind. Guitar skank just keeps it tight, rolling softly day to night. Bassline smooth and never stops, like the tide it always drops. Nothing changes, that's the key. In this loop you feel so free. Same vibe, different day, let it carry you away. Round and round the feeling goes, like a song you always know. In this cycle you can see, this is pure simplicity. Again, again, again. Tropical daydream loop in a steady groove. Let it play again like a clear in ocean eyes, sunlight dancing on the sea. Feels like it's calling me. Every step I take is right, guided by the golden light. Hear the sound, feel the flow. There's a truth you always know. In the tide, in the sky, nothing here can tell a lie. Waves don't lie, let it ride. Feel the rhythm deep inside. Waves don't lie, no disguise. See the truth in open skies. Waves don't lie, take it slow. Let the real emotion show. Waves don't lie, set you free. Be exactly who you be. Steel drums singing in the breeze, carrying that honesty. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, cuts through everything between. Bassline deep just like the sea, bold in raw reality. Every note just speaks to you, simple, honest, pure and true. Let it wash away the fade. Every wall begins to break. In this rhythm you will find truth was always in your mind.